on a sunny street lived Tum the cat with soft white feet, with whiskers twitching and tail so tall. He thought he was bravest cat of all. But in the wall with a squeak so merry lived a clever mouse named Jerry, small and quick with shiny eyes, full of giggles and surprise. Every morning at 10:30, Tum would search the house again. "Where's that mouse?" he'd loudly cry. "I'll catch him now, oh yes, I'll try." Jerry peeked from his tiny door, dropped some crumbs upon the floor. "Catch me if you can," he'd sing, then off he'd dash like a tiny spring. Through the kitchen, round the chair, over the table, under the stair, Tum would slip on soapy bubbles, landing in a heap of troubles. Crash went dishes, bang went pots, Tum got tangled up in knots. Jerry laughed with squeaky cheer. "You'll have to try again, my dear." One hot day in summer bright, they chased each other left and right. Through the garden filled with flowers, past tall trees and leafy bowers. Jerry hid inside a shoe, Tum got stuck there too. Oh boo! Both rolled down the grassy hill, spinning fast and faster still. Splash, they landed in a pool. Both looked very, very cool, water dripping from nose to toe. Where did all their anger go? Tum looked at Jerry soaking wet. "This is fun, the best day yet." Jerry smiled and gave a cheer. "Maybe we're good friends, my dear." They built a raft of sticks and leaves, sailed around like captains brave, shared some cheese and shared some cake, took a nap by the shiny lake. But when the moon began to glow, back inside they both would go. Jerry to his tiny house, Tum pretending, "Where's that mouse?"